Thank you so much for watching. If these videos make your day a little better, would you like to buy me a coffee on Ko-Fi? You'll find the link down below. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye.